Morning, friends. Just wanted to let you know that these little metal caps where you hook over the line, slide in, and then all the smart people seem to just be able to disconnect it as they touch the teeth. Did not work for me. What did work for me the Dremel. That worked great. Took like 5 seconds. I don't know what I was thinking. So now that I do have it cut off, I can see in there where the teeth line up. And because I tried to like squeeze it earlier, that made it, since it wasn't round, that made it hard for this thing to work correctly. But now that I got it cut, I can see exactly where to line up the teeth, or where to line up the circle so that that opening isn't hitting right where it should be hitting a teeth. So I can kind of rotate that pipe so that it is right in the middle of 2 teeth, and then hold that down in there, hopefully. Let's have a drink. Anyways, thanks for you guys' help. Now let's see if I can do this a little bit better in reverse.